Here we go!
Lamarr Wilson.
How you doing? Good to see you, Lamarr Wilson here. Back for another video, back for another unboxing. This is kind of like an unchesting. Had to get something off my chest. You like that thumbnail? There's something downstairs that is so big, you probably saw the thumbnail. I can't bring it up here. I'm gonna go down there with the vlog camera. This is the G7X for you techies and people who want to vlog. It's a great camera. And I'm gonna film. I got the combination. It's a combination. It's crazy. It's Sea of Thieves based and Chips Ahoy. Now I ain't really eating no cookies right now, so don't be asking me how come you didn't eat the cookies, because I'm just not eating cookies right now. There's cookies in there, and I don't know what else. Get it? Sea of Thieves, Chips Ahoy. I get it. Ahoy. See. Let's go. All right, guys, here we go. We are, whoa, what the heck? I mean, it's been sitting here for a while. So this is from Sea of Thieves, Chips Ahoy, and it's a chest. Get it? I already set it upstairs. Chips Ahoy, ahoy, matey. There's a combination lock. I know you probably saw some other YouTubers do it, but just pretend like you haven't seen it and indulge me, because I have chosen not to see anybody's video because I want to be surprised. Wait, the combination is 14, wait, hold on, I forgot it. 14, 28, 2. Okay. Oh! All right, okay, it's open. I'm gonna open this up for the first time. Here we go! Oh, okay. I was about to be really excited. Okay, now I have to read stuff. Hold on. Thanks for accepting the Xbox. Oh, it's Xbox. Of course it is. See if they were done. Chips Ahoy chest. That'll be fun for you and the crew. I also swapped out the Chewy Chips Ahoy, as I know they aren't your favorite. No, they're not. But again, right now I can't eat either of them. But yes, when I can, I don't like Chewy. Do you? I mean, I like it in Han Solo. Sorry. Let's see. Headphone cases and oh, let's open that first. Okay. Okay, all right, guys. I can't. Come on. This is anti-Lamarr. 4 headphone cases. What's going on? Okay, so their headphone got this medallion thing and some cases. Okay, I'll put those to the side. Let's do this together, cause. Oh my, what? Okay, my mouth is watering and it's not for the cookies. Thank you. Okay, so these, oh, look at the head. Oh my God. Okay, these are the headphones. And wow, they really made it for Sea of Thieves. Captain, which is me, and the crew. Holy crap. Okay, looking good, looking good. All right, next thing is this Boom Pro microphone, one for each person that's gonna play with me. There's the Boom microphone. Listen, I actually need one of these really bad for the computer upstairs. So that is sick, and that attaches right to the headphones. Wow. And there's, wait, hold on. There 4, okay, don't mess up my fingers now. Ow, I just scratched that. There's 4 of those. Let's put those. Oh my. We got that. We got these. Let's go ahead and take these out just so we can have them out. So we have the headphones right there. Okay, and the 4th one is over here. Wowie, wowie, wow. And this friend group I'm gonna be playing with, they need a copy of the game. They get 4 copies for my friends. Oh my God, I gotta get some friends. That is awesome. Oh my God, each of my friends that are in my crew are gonna get Xbox Game Pass. Oh my God, and guess what? State of Decay that's coming out in a couple days. That's on Game Pass too. So is Sea of Thieves. I'm more excited for this than I am the cookies. Oh my God. Look at that. A Chips Ahoy controller. A Chips, so, you know, this, let's just take this over here right now. Let's not even waste any time. Let's see. Hey, you Darksiders, get out of here. You go down there. Okay, we're gonna put the Chips Ahoy, right there. Now that's nice, that's nice. Hey, Cuphead, oh, beautiful. Okay, so there are the 3 of those. You can just put one, and they gave me a bunch of batteries. Cookies, oh boy. Okay, because Chips Ahoy did send this is not sponsored, I will show their cookies. These, I guess, yeah, these are Sea of Thieves themed. Oh, if you get one of these, you can enter a chance to win the Xbox One X. So go to the store, get one of these, and you can get free in-game content and enter for a chance to win. So that's the original. Oh boy, that's the chunky. Okay, 2. that's the original. They knew not to put no chewy in here. They knew. Okay, so again, right now, I can't eat these. There'll be no taste test right now, but the people at the UPS store, they're like, can we have the cookies? So I'm gonna give them to them. So they get the cookies, I get the goodies, and I'll distribute these to my friends. I have a question when we get upstairs. In the comments, tell me what 3 other YouTubers, I know which one of the people you're gonna pick, because you always pick him, that you want me to play Sea of Thieves with. And we can get them together whenever I start streaming, which will be soon on Twitch. I will get them together and play. Distribute this stuff to them and let them enjoy a cookie controller. Oh, by the way, my Discord has been revamped. I know I've talked about Discord before. It's my community where you all come in and really try to get to know each other and talk to each other under my banner. It's not so much about getting one-on-one with me, because I can't be there 24 hours a day to appease everybody, but I have new categories in there. So again, my Discord is here. Make sure, did it land right where it's, okay, I don't know. Anyway, make sure you go sign up right now and join the community. We got thousands of people there. I want you there. Again, thanks so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Always appreciate you. Talk to you soon.